Good afternoon, everybody. Hello. Good afternoon, everybody. Started Newton's second law.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Linear momentum. Linear momentum of a body is the product of mass and velocity. Product of mass and velocity. For a body of mass m moving with a velocity v, the linear momentum p is equal to expressed as p is equal to m into v. It is a vector quantity. SI unit kg meter per second or CGS unit gram centimeter per second. মানে m into v. m এর ইউনিট হচ্ছে SI এ হচ্ছে কেজি আর v এর ইউনিট মিটার পার সেকেন্ড আর CGS এ g centimeter per second. Newton's second law. According to Newton's second law of motion, the rate of change of momentum of a body is directly proportional to the force applied on it, and the change of momentum takes place in the direction in which the force is applied. So, second law, what is second law of motion? According to the Newton's second law of motion, the rate of change of momentum of a body is directly proportional to the force applied on it, and the change of momentum takes place the direction in which the force applied. So, according to the force, the momentum is directly proportional to the force and direction in which the force applied. तापर देखो न्यूटन सेकेंड लॉ से हम लोग रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ मोमेंटम कैसे निकालते हैं. Let a force F be applied a body mass m and for time t due to its velocity change from initial velocity u to final velocity v. The initial momentum of a m into initial velocity, m into initial velocity u, m into u, or final momentum of a body, m into v. So the change of momentum is equal to mv minus mu. Change of momentum mv minus mu. Ever rate of change of momentum माने mv minus mu by t. m को कॉमन लेने से आ रहा है v minus u by t. v minus u by t क्या है? v minus u by t is equal to acceleration a. Therefore SI unit এটা হচ্ছে f is equal to ma. फोर्स के साथ mass and acceleration का relation f is equal to ma. माने न्यूटन सेकेंड लॉ. SI unit of Newton, SI unit of force is Newton. The Newton का definition, 1 Newton is the force which when acts on a body of mass 1 kg produce acceleration 1 meter per second square. ताले एक mass 1 kg produce acceleration 1 meter per second square is called SI unit Newton. In CGS unit system, the force is dyne. One dyne is the force which when acts on a body of mass 1 gram produce an acceleration 1 centimeter per second square. এবার দেখো relationship between Newton and dyne. 1 Newton is equal to 1 kg into velocity 1 meter per second, acceleration 1 meter per second square. তাহলে 1 kg মানে 1000 গ্রাম আর 1 meter per second square acceleration is equal to 100 centimeter per second square. Therefore 10 to the power 5 dyne. তাহলে 1 Newton is equal to 10 to the power 5 dyne. Do you understand?
Yes sir.
আচ্ছা আরেকবার দেখলো SI unit of force হচ্ছে নিউটন. নিউটন का definition, 1 Newton is the force which when act on a body of mass 1 kg produce acceleration 1 meter per second square. In CGS system, unit of force is dyne. Therefore, one dyne is the force which, when act on a body, one body of mass 1 gram, produce an acceleration 1 centimeter per second square. If a relationship between Newton and dyne, SI unit and CGS unit में relation, 1 Newton is equal to 1 kg into 1 meter per second square. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, or 1 meter per second square is equal to 100 centimeter per second square, is equal to 10 to the power 5 dyne. Do you understand? एबार देखो, to obtain Newton's first law from the second law of motion. Second law of motion से कैसे first law में हम लोग आ सकता है? From Newton's second law, F is equal to A में, if F is equal to 0, then A is equal to 0. This means that if no force is applied on the body, its acceleration will be 0. If the body is at rest, it will remain rest, and if it is in moving, it will remain moving in the same direction with the same speed. Thus the body not acted upon any external force, does not change its state of rest or motion. This is the statement of Newton's first law. चलो न्यूटन सेकेंड लॉ से हम लोग कैसे फर्स्ट लॉ में आ सकता है? न्यूटन सेकेंड लॉ হচ্ছে F is equal to A में F হচ্ছে force is equal to mass into acceleration. If F is equal to 0, মানে force যদি 0 হয় external force, and acceleration also 0, this means there is no force applied on the body. Its acceleration will be also 0. If the body is at rest, it will remain rest, and if it is moving, it will remain moving in the same direction with the same speed. Thus a body not acted upon by any external force do not change its state of rest or motion. This is the statement of Newton's first law. Newton's first law में एक्सटर्नल फोर्स यदि अप्लाइड नहीं हो ताले रेस्ट बॉडी रेस्ट में और मोशन बॉडी मोशन में रहेगा. तो सेकेंड लॉ में हम लोग फोर्स को 0 कर दिया तो एक्सेलरेशन भी 0 हो जाएगा. 0 हो जाएगा तो उसका पोजीशन चेंज नहीं होगा. जो रेस्ट में है वो रेस्ट में ही रहेगा, जो मोशन में है वो मोशन में चलते रहेगा. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? ये होচ্ছে सेकेंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन. नेक्स्ट क्लास में थर्ड लॉ एंड इट्स फेनोमेना उसको पढ़ाएगा. हाँ, डू यू अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, sir.
चलो एक बार देख लो.